Hello everyone! Today we are excited to introduce our new product. We have one bare tool, 2 lithium-ion batteries, a battery charger, and a 600 MCM Copper Die Kit, which includes 12 pieces, an operator manual to guide you through, a carrying case for easy portability, and a tool holder belt for convenience. This tool's comfort and ease of use are ensured by its ergonomic design. It's equipped with a microcomputer control system that not only monitors pressure during the crimping process, you can reset the crimper manually and automatically. It features a 360-degree rotating clamp head for versatility and a fault alarm system for safety. Plus, we give you 2 high-performance lithium-ion batteries. Let me show you how to use it. Firstly, unlock the latch, press the die switch button, and place the die in the center position. Then, lock the latch, insert the lithium battery, and place the terminal in the die groove. Press the power switch until the crimping is completed. The pliers will automatically return to its original position. Then release the switch, remove the crimped cable terminal. You can also press the reset button to reset the pliers whenever necessary. If you want to switch the language on the display, just press and hold the power switch, insert the battery, and after hearing a beep, release and quickly press the button twice to enter the switching interface. Now pressing the button can switch between Chinese and English. When switching to the desired language, wait for 3 seconds to complete the setting.